Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Casey and today we are going to do some fridge organization. So right now my fridge is an absolute mess. I tried this a few weeks ago, so I already purchased a lot of storage containers, but they just, I don't know, they didn't fit right, and then everything ran out and then it just got messy again. So I have my coffee because it's early in the morning and I'm exhausted. And then once I'm done with my coffee, we're gonna get to cleaning the fridge. One thing I want to highlight is that all of the containers I'm going to use today are super affordable. Like, I've seen some containers that are like 15-20 bucks each, and that was a definite no for me. All of my containers I think were like $5 and below. Actually, I know they were all $5 and below. I got some in Dollar Tree, I got some in Family Dollar, and honestly I just went to these stores and I was trying to find the most aesthetic I could find. So bear with me, but I think they'll get the job done, and in the end, like, you wouldn't be able to tell these are like super cheap containers. All right, so let's get into the video. A little sneak peek of the mess we're gonna deal with today. Don't judge me, but it is here. Everything is an absolute mess. So we're gonna put everything in storage containers, try to get all Pinteresty as much as we can, and everything is like on a budget. All right, so first we're just gonna empty every single thing out of the fridge and put it on the countertops. Now that the fridge is completely empty, I'm just gonna give it like a small cleaning. It's not that dirty, but I'm just gonna clean it because why not? Everything is spread on the counter. Now I'm just gonna start washing the fruits, veggies, and putting things into the containers. Everything is spread on the countertops from my fridge, all in the back. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take all of the fruits and vegetables out of the packaging that they came in, wash it, cut some of them, and then put them into the bowls that I got. package into these containers, that was exhausting. It took me like, I don't know, it feels like an hour. I honestly don't know how long. And our fridge is empty and clean, so now we're just gonna figure out where everything's gonna go. So I'm just gonna put like the big basic things first that just need to be there, and then I'll just play around. So first things first, tub of milk. It's going back in the door on this side. Juice, I don't know, maybe it could also go in the door. So in these containers that I got from Dollar Tree, I put spinach and broccoli. I think the broccoli will be fine. I'm honestly worried about the spinach because this container has no ventilation, but I couldn't find one with ventilation that was big enough. So I mean, we'll see. Usually when I keep it in the bag, it goes bad in like a week, maybe 2 weeks anyway. So I don't know, we'll see. So in the fridge door, I'm just gonna go put back my cheese. Again, things might move around. I have no ideas yet. Cream cheese, maybe turkey. That could neatly there. So honestly, I have been playing around with the organization a couple times, and I don't know, I don't like any of it. I guess I just don't like the different types of containers. Like ideally, all of them would match like these, but you know what? We're gonna try to make do. I'm gonna continue playing around with it a couple times until I could figure out what organization suits me, what's easily accessible, what's practical, and what looks cute. All right. Literally 1,000 times, I guess I'm very difficult to please, but this is how I decided to leave it as like the final for now. So let's do a walkthrough of where I put what. I moved up this drawer. I put my apples, my lemons, my grapes, strawberries, and pineapples. So basically fruits, vegetables. This drawer is like bread and bread-like things. And then down here I just have the broccoli and the spinach, and then my last meal prep. I think I like how it came out. It looks pretty organized. Hopefully this organization works for me and I like it as I go along. I like it right now, but my mood changes every day. So if I ever do decide to redo my fridge again, I will involve you guys. But let me know what you think. Let me know if I could have done something differently, or if it makes more sense to organize other things in a different way. I don't know. I just did it however I thought I would like. it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was kind of relaxing. I know I feel relaxed when I watch other organization videos. And yeah, let me know if you like the organization that I decided on in the end, or let me know in the comments if you would have done something differently. I honestly don't know anything about like aeration of fruits and things like that, so I just did what was visually appealing to me. But if you have suggestions on how I can organize in a way that's more practical to make my fruits and veggies last longer, that would be great. Let me know. I'm totally down to learn about that. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions of other types of videos you want to see, also let me know down in the comments. I am pretty much open to anything within the categories of like food, home decor, home organization, and fashion. So thank you guys. And my little fatty, her name is Pretty, she wanted to tell you guys something. Like and subscribe my mom's channel. You heard it here first. You guys have to like and subscribe because she said so. Say bye. Say bye.